How to enable extreme battery saver mode on your Google Pixel 8a. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap on a battery. Tap on a battery saver. Here toggle on the use battery saver option. It will help you to improve the battery life of your Pixel device. Here you can see standard battery saver and extreme battery saver. Now choose the extreme battery saver mode. It will help you to push the non-essential apps on your device. That will increase the battery life. Now tap the setting gear icon. Here you can see two sections, essential apps or non-essential apps. This feature will help you to battery make longer. Extreme battery saver push the non-essential apps. So here you can see list of apps that will stop receive notification, unnecessary notification. That will help you to improve the battery life on your device. To add or remove it, just tap on a plus icon. Now we can see add this app to the essential apps list on the device. So just set the essential apps and non-essential apps. That will help you to save battery life. You can also set schedule and reminder for a battery, like a turn off at 90%, battery saver turn off when battery reach 90%, or turn on the battery level. Select the battery level, automatically turn on the battery saver mode on your device. So this is quite helpful feature to improve the battery life. You can also see adaptive battery. Tap on it. Toggle on the use adaptive battery feature to help you to optimize apps automatically on your device. So this is the all battery saver tips you can use to improve the battery life of your Google Pixel 8a. That's it. Like it, share it.